Good morning everyone, it's James here from IronCity Motorcycles here in Gateshead, and I'd like to show a video of a 21 model year Fat Bob we currently have in stock. So here it is, 21 model, which is a 71 plate, 114 Harley-Davidson SOFTAIL Fat Bob, finished in the vivid black colour. Stunning bike, being lovingly looked after by its previous owner and waiting for its next owner, which could be you. Awesome bikes to ride these. Great as well with the addition of the dual front discs on this model. Bike has been lovingly looked after. So Harley-Davidson just run up the tank. The reflection of the lights hitting it. Honestly, this bike just looks amazing. Previous owner upgraded it to include Vance Hines slip-ons, so really does have that Harley raw. The bike has covered 9,526 miles. Good service history with this bike. It'll also come with 12 months warranty, which is fully upgradable. Yeah. So that was the bike. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like any more information on this model or any other model we have in stock, check us out online or please visit us in store. Cheers now.